These are exciting times. Our customers' behavior is changing faster than ever. Her expectations on our services are pacing the world around us, and we need to adapt, catch up, and create a better experience. To develop our customer loyalty further, we have to do some major changes. We need to digitalize our services, personalize the customer experience, and harmonize the customer journey throughout all channels. We have a lot of hard work ahead of us, and our ability to deliver is dependent on how we approach the work. Together, we need to work towards the same goal. And in order to adapt to the customer's changed behavior, we first need to change our own. Therefore, we're leaving our traditional ways and moving towards an agile development format. With agile development, decisions are made throughout the process and tested along the way. Deliveries are made continuously and in smaller portions. We frequently look for new needs and risks because the circumstances could change during a project. And we create customer value quicker by putting what we develop in the hands of the user sooner. These methods make for a much more adaptable work process, which is perfect for large and complex projects. We start setting up by combining our business goals, KPIs, and hypotheses, and turn them into an initiative. An initiative spans from 3 months to 1 year and follows a dynamic process, as opposed to the linear one we're used to. So we need to slice it into epics. This could be an epic. Optimize login design and functions at ICA.se. The epic belongs to one of the program areas and should be completed within a program increment. A Scrum team analyzes the epic and creates concrete stories from it. For instance, as a user, I want to change my password more easily, so I don't need to call customer service for help. New stories and epics can also sprout from the Scrum team, based on learnings and insights they reach. The team has the power to influence and improve initiatives when it supports the business goals and KPIs. Scrum teams work with their stories in synchronized sprints consisting of 2 weeks. After each sprint, they present and evaluate their work, as well as their way of working, to keep improving team culture and processes. After 5 sprints, the team reaches the end of a program increment, and a new one starts. The Scrum teams do a program increment review where they present their deliveries. The insights and learnings from previous increments is collected and synchronized towards the initiative and epics to see if something needs to change. All the teams are then gathered in a big room session where they plan for the next increment. The constantly evolving 1-year plan is also updated for the upcoming 4 program increments, since the goals might have changed from previous learnings. But none of this will work unless we set up a work culture to go along with the agile process. The Scrum teams conduct daily stand-ups, where they discuss details and plan the day together so that everyone knows what they're doing. The teams should be cross-functional, autonomous, and empowered to make their own decisions based on initiatives and epics. We have 7 blocks to guide us in our work. Effect first. Learn to the max. Looped planning. Keep it flowing. Quality-centric. Be empowered. And always be nice. So, we want to digitalize our services, personalize the customer experience, and harmonize the customer journey throughout all channels. And we'll know that we're doing it right when our customer buys 1 more item on every 5th store visit. We've attracted an additional 16,000 new loyalty households. We've decreased churn by 1.7%. We've moved 10% of our physical postcards to digital marketing. We've increased supplier funding revenue And let's not forget, empowered our autonomous teams to make the tough decisions. By using these ways of working, we will be more adaptable to the future, since the only thing we know about the future is that it is uncertain. Therefore, we must dare to fail a little in order to succeed a lot.